Thank you for downloading the Director Playbook and Administrative Guide. This is going to be a really great tool that will not only be a guide for your entire school and running your operations, but it also includes a 30, 60, and 90-day onboarding plan for a brand new director. If you dive into the inside of this playbook, you're going to see the director onboarding plan is at the beginning of the document, and it's going to set goals, define purpose, and create some action plans to make sure that your new director is successful within those first 90 days. And then it also offers on the second half of the book, what is a typical week, day, month, biannual activities, quarterly activities that a director should be performing. And then at the very end is the administrative activities. And so this is going to be pretty much anything that needs to happen in your school. It's going to have all the details on how to perform functions and what those expectations are. As you can see, here's an example. This section shows what the vision is, how to uphold company policies, what is your goal setting, expectation, what is your food program. So as you continue to scroll through here, you're going to see many things that will make a successfully run child care center happen. And what's really great is that it's going to help your director have really clear expectations on what you want from your school. I hope you enjoy this.